Hi friends, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Surabhi Multi Creations. Today I am showing Sri Ramanavami Puja. Please watch this. Don't skip. First of all, Senku Chakra, Nama Swastik design on eyelid. Next, put it Sri Ramachandra Pattabhisheka photo and Ganapati photo. Next, flowers to the photo like this. Next, ready the lamps. Next, fruits and coconut and 5 varieties of prasad offering. It is my prayer that Sri Ram blessings give to everyone. Now start the puja. Sri Rama 108 names with puja. Finally, Harati and Dhoop offering completed the puja. I did this puja like this. I hope like this video. Please support our channel. Like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Sri Ram.